Expanding on its IIHS Top Safety Pick rating, the Volvo XC60 experienced crash testing by Euro NCAP, and has demonstrated it's amazingly protected regardless of what association is trying it. The hybrid SUV, which we would consider a medium size in the United States, was named the most secure vast off-roader by the association. This was on the grounds that the Volvo had higher evaluations in Euro NCAP's 4 classifications of well-being, grown-up tenant security, kid tenant assurance, walker insurance, and security help, than some other vehicle in its model year and class drive by Euro NCAP. The most great of the XC60's scores was in grown-up tenant insurance. It dealt with an about immaculate 98%. Curiously, the following nearest scorer in the class and year was the Alfa Romeo Stelvio with 97%. The second most elevated score for the Volvo was in well-being help with 95%, which Volvo notes was an entire 20% higher than the following best hybrid in the class from the Volvo's model year. The youngster inhabitant rating was 87%, and the person on foot score was 76%. Back here in the United States, the Volvo XC60 almost has the most elevated rating the IIHS can give, the Top Safety Pick. It has the most elevated grade rating in each crash situation it has been tried in, and has good grades for impact avoidance innovation. It passes up a great opportunity for the most astounding Top Safety Pick Plus rating since its headlights got just the second most noteworthy rating of adequate. Front light scores dragged down a considerable measure of auto models this year as it has raised its norms for what constitutes a Top Safety Pick Plus. Likewise, it doesn't have a score for the traveler side little cover crash test.